It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. I'm not sure if much will be happening today, but mad annoying. Shut up. Oh my god. Shut up. What?
When I tell you I heard it through my earbuds, I was like, I'm not going. Love the road. Literally, I heard this through my headset, and I was like, no way.
I'm trying to eat my sandwich.
Why didn't she bring it?
I don't know, I was trying to eat it outside. I have a meeting at 7, bro. What the fuck? And y'all supposed to be going to this meeting?
We got time at 6:16. What the fuck is that?
So loud. What is that?
Sirens?
Oh my god.
Keeps going. How'd you know? It's happening again.
Dude, yes! Every time I'm fucking taking a nap.
Yeah, it's gonna
When? What time?
Hurry the fuck up.
That's real unfortunate. They really
Bro,
Yeah,
he holds up 5 fingers. Yeah.
There's holes in the
Are you on the
ceiling up
5th
there.
floor? Yeah.
There's holes?
Did they say you guys have to stay outside? You guys have to stay
What are they
outside.
gonna
It's okay, you got it
It
now.
doesn't matter.
More than, I don't know.
Say you weren't there.
He just wasn't here.
Yeah.
You're not fifth floor, it's okay, you're cool.
I thought they said
Because
7.
you guys
No, fifth and seventh.
No, but I
Because you
thought
guys
they
are
said
bad.
Yeah.
Oh, no, seven's worse. They fucked up their entire ceiling. There's no tiles up there.
Really?
Yeah, they punched the holes in the ceiling.
What did your floor do?
Yeah,
I don't
now I'm
know.
gonna
Wanna go up there?
go.
No, really go up there and look at it. There's like, I think there's still wine and blood on the floor, so
Oh my god.
I can't make this up. Literally, whenever
I want to see. Did they take your biscuits?
I hope so. We should check. Actually, we're all going to the sixth floor right now. That's our mission.
Yeah,
Sleeping in the
yeah.
sixth floor. We're all going to go to the sixth floor.
Yeah.
We can't use our janitor's closet anymore because
They
Yeah,
got
it's
it.
fucking
because
annoying.
people would like apparently made
And
it.
they stole our trash can for like 2 weeks in the beginning of the year.
Yes!
I was like, alright.
Yes,
What is
you
this
love this
punishment?
school.
Yeah.
40,000 here, and we live in
This. I can take you guys on a little tour for the 7th floor. I got you guys. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's see. So they broke the lock into the triple room.
Yeah, I did know
I saw that.
Oh,
So let's see
really?
here.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if they clean it up. If not, to figure it out.
Oh my god.
Okay, as you can see on the wall here, there's Richard. Oh, did they fix the up top?
It looks like it.
If not,
I think they fixed it.
I hope so, because it
so
was
dirty too.
No, it was awful.
Like their bathroom.
Yeah, that was
It
down.
was awful down here. Oh, they did fix it. They got the lovely.
What the fuck is wrong with these guys?
Yeah, you can see where they fixed it. So there's like the crack up here, the missing part of the tile. It was way worse. I have photos still. As you can see, they patched it.
Yeah, they did patch it.
Yeah, it was awful up here.
Why are the boys so
And then
bad
in
on
that
this?
sink, I think that's still trash in the sink, but it's like a shit ton of stuff. Look out in.
Okay, the locker room.
Oh, no laughing doors. Welcome.
Oh, look at their little choo-choo. Let's go in there. Let's see who's in there. You want to?
They made like favorite room, alpha.
Ew.
Yeah, but you see, oh wait, here's one thing they didn't fix.
Oh.
It was way
my
worse. There was like it was like this consecutively down here. I'll show you guys.
Why?
Why did they do that?
Because why not? Why not?
I have this. I'm always struggling. Like whenever I write, like I don't know what to write. I'm struggling with this assignment for my labor and employment relations class. Oh my god. Like I have no clue.
My dad when he first saw me with anything, he was like, "Naja, why?" But I don't care.
A Boomba Club.
Please no. Blur him out in the video.
I have to get them.
Get what on video?
When you guys joke around.
Well, now I'm not gonna joke around.
Bro,
It's
we're
a video.
Just ignore the camera.
Just ignore the camera. Like I didn't see you just place it there.
Like, honestly, we all did kind of just watch you.
But let me look cool for the camera.
Oh shit.
Yo, send me that. I don't even know what just happened, but I want to see what the fuck. It was
Nah, you look too cool.
untied
Do I
Durag,
look cool,
sunglasses,
guys? You look
the
too
Crocs.
cool. 1 to 10, how cool do I look?
You want to answer?
I gotta say, you're a cool out of 10.
Cool out of 10.
Oh my gosh. I'm so like, the game about to start. I'm not even out the crib yet. I'm still
Niggas not even dressed.
For real. Everybody be so mad at me. I don't even got no Penn Station to wear. I don't got no Penn Station to
I
wear.
don't even know where my you could look at my drum.
Wait,
Oh my
I think I got a hoodie.
Oh my.
Damn, yo.
You are so underprepared.
Oh man, to know it's not my fault though. It's not my fault. I gotta do laundry too. I need to do laundry.
Hold on, man. Let me do laundry first.
Bro, right about letting you know.
At
Hold on,
this
man. I got
point,
some
you
shit
might
in the
as
dry.
well.
It got 50 minutes left. I got some shit in the dryer.
They don't close like the gates at a certain time.
I don't even know. I don't
No,
think they do.
because some people like leave throughout, so it makes sense.
Oh.
I gotta hurry up though, cause what time is it?
You said that before, nigga.
Yeah, that game started in 30 minutes and I'm still in here. Yo, what is
Not even
what
jump
y'all
yet.
got me doing,
And that's like
yo?
a 15-minute walk.
Exactly.
That's
You walk in the east.
Yeah, that's for Beaver.
The
Right?
Beaver. What?
That's for Beaver
That's
Stadium.
Stadium.
I got me Manny today. I got me Manny at his dorm.
You
Then
fucking
we
white
going to
people always touching shit. Fucking up my clock.
Why? It's 6 right now. I got all the time in the world.
You would take. You might as well. You're already late. Like, there's no point. You're not gonna make it. So just take your time. Get dressed.
You're right. You're actually right. I'm about to take my lovely
Let's go
time.
have dinner.
Or
At
you
this
know,
point, yeah.
you want to get something to eat?
Yeah, you might as well. See?
Let's
Do your
go to
laundry,
lunch.
pay your taxes, pay your tuition bill.
For
Like, you
real.
got all that time right now.
All the time in the world.
Fucking world.
Nobody gonna stop me. Oh my god. Damn, yo. Nigga. That's gotta be racist. There's no way. Nigga. That's gotta be racist. There's no way that's of our culture. Oh, you performing?
Yeah.
Oh, how did I miss that?
watching it.
I'm about to get naked for y'all.
Bro, what? Oh my god. You guys are about to get kicked off.
Yeah.
Just keep. I want you to keep that video in, but you need to put like a.
No, you gotta listen to it. You gotta
This shit
You
turn
said something?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I'm good at whispering real low.
This shit turn to brazzers.
Yeah. Honestly,
My pods, no, my pods.
buy some like off-brand Penn State merch because I spent like almost $50 on one pair of sweatpants here.
Why did you do that?
Why you getting
I didn't know,
Why you
like,
getting Penn State merch regardless?
because I wanted sweatpants. At least, what are you talking about? You have so much.
No, that's what I said. Oh, that is a good
It is a
question.
good question.
No, or my hoodie or my
I can
windbreaker.
make it.
None of the shit match. So none of the shit matches each other. So like,
Whatever you'll be comfortable in because it's gonna be cold.
definitely gonna be cool.
So when the windbreaker break the wind.
Subscribe.
Or don't.
Oh my.
Nah, it's
Wow,
not
you're
this shit,
such a
bro.
great friend.
No, everybody subscribe. Subscribe to my nigga Elise channel. If you subscribe, you get a free pizza.
Subscribe, you get a
From my main man. From my main man. She gonna
Why
send
your
it
voice
to
like
you
that?
because I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh shit.
Okay. Oh my god, I feel like you guys cannot see my face right now. Okay. Much better? Right. So I changed out of my flannel because I thought I was looking kinda. So I put this on and then I have my little pants thing right here. For my hair, I just slicked it back, and yeah, that's what I did. So I'll just see you guys when I get into class. So I am back in my dorm, but I'm about to head to sociology class in a few minutes. That starts at 1:25 and it is located in the Forest Resources building. It's like right across the street. But for now I've been working on my presentation for Wednesday for my African American literature class. Yay! We're just gonna be talking about colorism and about many other things happening during 1920, like the Harlem Renaissance. Yay!
And then here's my friendly reminder, please, for the cell phones.
I'm recording for my YouTube.
I will take it as a good one.
Did you forget?
Exchange or anything or whatever. That's today's objectives, if you will.
Okay, so every time I transition, I always like say, okay, so anyways, I'm on my way to the Petit Paterno Library, whatever the hell that is, and I'll be meeting up with 2 of my classmates to go over the presentation for the class and finish off the slides and stuff like that. So I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is a time of day, right now it's like 2:30 something, around this time, that's when I get super tired, super drowsy, and super lazy. And basically that's how I'm feeling right now. Like I really just want to go to sleep, honestly. Another thing I realized as to why I may be tired is that most of my day is consistent. What? Most of my day is consistent. Yeah, most of my day is consisted of walking. I literally walk everywhere I go for hours. So that's probably why I'm also super tired. Where is the elevator? Three. This is really bad. Like, okay, so I'm working on a slide. The slide for the colorism that you mentioned about the 1920, the word mulatto like being taken out of, or was it? Was dropped from the census.
Yeah, originally I thought like incorporating this something from the census, but I don't know if we should do that now. It's since we're trying to narrow some things down.
Well, I think it would be like an interesting part to bring up just so they know.
Mm-hmm.
But I wasn't sure like how to word, because there's some phrases that I think need like an additional sentence. I'm not sure really what to say. So yeah.
I like the style that you're doing there.
It's so nice,
I
right?
think that is gonna be good.
Foreshadow.
So
Yo, excuse me. Where'd you get the sushi?
My comments. Yeah. So should I just scrap it or just add another one?
that's all you I mean, if that's what they want to say, then I think it's fine. I mean, it's good. I think he's probably going to ask you to expand on this.
This one?
That's just my feeling.
I was planning to anyway. And I was gonna also say like in other countries or continents, such as in Africa, they advertise like bleaching cream and stuff like that. So aside from like occupational situations, it's also affecting like beauty standards and stuff like that.
Okay, so
I just left that and we finally completed the slides and everything. I'm super excited about it. I'm just proud. I love working with those girls. Like, they're very much people I would talk to. So I'm excited about that. What else is there? Oh, I am gonna go back to my dorm and then I have work at around 6 o'clock. Right now it's like 4:45, so I have an hour to just do some homework and yeah, do some homework and probably get a nap in or something, but that's what it happened today. Okay guys, I'm in work right now, but I kind of just wanted to show you guys something that I thought was super cute. So oh, they got me a little like gift goodie bag from my two bosses. Isn't that so cute? Trick or treat. Oh, I don't know, I just thought I'd show you guys that because I thought that was super cute. But yeah, I have a lot of things to do tonight, so I'm gonna do that and yeah. It's pretty empty. That's how you know it's late. And I need to get home. Yeah. Never mind. I'm a little scared. Anyway, yeah.